In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve problems involving multiplication of fractions. So this is now a problem solving. In problem solving, we have four main steps in answering the problems. So main idea, first thing we need to do is to understand the problem. What is asked and what are the given. Next step is to plan. After understanding the problem, let's plan how to solve that. Can we use multiplication, addition, or what operation can we use to answer the problem? And last is solve. If we need to multiply, then multiply. If we need to add, then add. And last is to check. Of course, we need to make sure that our answer is correct. So let's try by giving the example. This example comes from your book. Example 1, Amelia bought 4 and 2/3 kilogram of mixed nuts. If 1/7 of the nuts were cashews, how much cashew did Amelia buy? So first step, understand. Let's find out what are the givens are and what is being asked. So first step, understand what is asked. Then, ano bang tinatanong? So, 1 na lang lalagay ko, hindi ko nasusulat. How much cashew nuts did Amelia buy? So, ito yung tanong. Ano naman yung mga given? So, sulat ko number 2. 2 meaning ito yung given. Ang binigay sa ating given is 4 and 2/3 kilogram of mixed nuts. Ito yung total. 4 and 2/3 kilogram of nuts. Mixed nuts. And 1/7 nun ay cashew. 1/7 of the nuts were cashews. So, ito yung given, ito yung question. How much cashew nuts did Amelia buy? Ang given sa atin ay 4 and 2/3 na mixed nuts at 1/7 nun ay cashew. So, anong plano natin dito? Gagawin natin, review ko muna kayo sa multiplication. Diba sa multiplication, parang, for example, let's use 1/2 times 1/2. Ang sagot dito, 1 times 1, or top times top, is still 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. Ganun lang. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Ganun tayo mag-multiply. Straight. Kung gagawa tayo ng representation, let's say 1/2 ng pizza times 1/2 ng pizza, para mong sinabi na kalahati ng pizza, or parang 1/2 of 1/2 of the given pizza, which is also a 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2, ito yung 1/2 times 1/2, kinuha mo yung kalahati, kaya ang nagiging sagot dito ay 1/4. Mga bang 1/4? Ganun siya. So, kapag nagmumultiply ka, kadalasan sa problem nakikita mo part of. Kasi ganun yung multiplication sa fraction. Kinukuha mo yung part, taking part of the given. So, dito, step 2 natin is to plan. Ano bang gagamitin natin? Ang tanong ay, how much cashew nuts did Amelia buy? Then, ang given natin, 4 and 2/3 ang total, and 1/7 of the nuts were cashew. Meaning, 1/7 ng 4/2/3 ay cashew. So, 1/7 nung 4 and 2/3 ang cashew. Kaya, ang gagawin natin, and it's pretty obvious because our lesson is all about multiplication. Kaya, ang gagawin natin dito ay mag-multiply. What operation will be used? Multiplication. Number 2 is to write the equation. 4 over 2/3 times 1 over 7. Tama? Kasi 1 over 7 ng 4 over 2/3 ay yung cashew. Then, to find out how much cashew did Amelia buy, kailangan natin i-multiply si 4 and 2/3 kay 1 over 7. So, let's multiply that. This, as you can see, this is a mixed number. We need to make it improper fraction for us to multiply it. So, mangyayari dito, 3 times 4 plus 2. So, 3 times 4 is 4, 8, 12, plus 2 is 14. Magiging 14 over 3 times 1 over 7. Nakita nyo? Paano gawing fraction, paano gawing improper fraction ang mix? 3 times 4, 3 times dun sa whole number, plus dun sa numerator. So, 14 over 3. Then, times 1 over 7. So, this is our plan. We need to multiply. Then, next step is to perform. So, perform na natin. Perform or solve. So, 14 over 3 times 1 over 7. 14 times 1 is 14, and 3 times 7 is 7, 14, 21. Then, we can lowest term it, divide both sides by 7. So, 7 over 7 magiging 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 25 divided by 7 is 3. The answer is 2/3. So, 2/3 ang sagot. Next, check. Ito na yung last natin. Check. So, paano natin i-check? Ang nakuha natin sagot is 2 over 3. Meaning, ang 1/7 or yung 1/7 ng 4 and 2/3 ng mixed nuts ay cashew. So, 2/3 nun ay cashew. So, ito, 2/3 kilogram. So, para ma-check natin kung ngayon ba talaga yung sagot, baliktarin natin yung equation. Kung minultiply natin siya, kailangan kapag 2/3 times 1 over or divided by 1 over 7 ay magiging equal kay 4 and 2/3, which is yung original. So, paano ito i-divide? Get the reciprocal. 2/3 reciprocal ng 1 over 7. When I say reciprocal, that only means na babaliktarin mo lang to. So, baliktarin natin. 1 over 7 magiging 7 over 1 or simply 7. Then proceed to multiplication. So 2 times 7 is 14. And 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 and 2/3. Then make this a mixed fraction so that we can see. So pag natin mixed fraction, magiging ganito lang. 4 and 2/3. So, as you can see, they're equal. Meaning, we get the correct answer. Let's check. Next example. On a certain day, Nathaniel earned 350 pesos for tutorial services. He spent 2 over 7 of his money for his food and 1/5 of it for his transportation. How much is the total expenses of Nathaniel? So, since I already discussed the example number 1, step by step, so, dito hindi na ako magiging masyadong detailed. Kung ano lang talaga yung mahalaga. How much? First, ano yung tanong? How much is total expenses of Nathaniel? Ayun lang yung tanong. Then, ano ba yung mga given? It's natin. Given. So, suppose na na-understand na natin yung question kasi ito nung may tanong, how much is the total expenses of Nathaniel? Given natin, 350 pesos for Chotola services. Ito yung na-earn niya. Then, he spent 2/7 of his money for his food. So, 2/7 of 350 goes to his food. And 1/5 goes to his transpo. So, tanong, how much is the total expenses of Nathaniel? So, paano gagawin natin dito? 2/7 ng 350 or 350 times 2/7 goes to his food. Then, 1/5 ng 350 goes to his transpo. If we combine those number, we will get the total expenses of Nathaniel. So, our plan here is to add 2/7 to 1/5. Then, if we get that fraction, multiply it to 350. So, that's the plan. Solution. We need to get the sum of these two fractions. 2/7 plus 1/5. Why we need to add? Because the question is asking for the total expenses and he has two expenses. The 2/7 for his food and 1/5 for his transpo. So we need to add. So how to add this? You can use the cross multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. Then add. Gets nyo paano mag-cross multiply? 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. Then copy the operation. Plus or add. Then dito is 17/35. So ito na, 17/35 yung fraction ng kanyang expenses. So meaning we need to multiply 350 to this 17/35. This will be our step 1 and this will be step 2. So 350 multiplied to 17/35. So gagawin natin dito, alam naman natin lahat ng whole number ay meron denominator na 1. Now we can proceed. So as you can see, we have 35 and 350 and they are both divisible to 35. So we can use cancellation. Ito ay magiging 10 na lang. Then ito 1. Tama? Simplify muna natin. Then proceed to multiplication. 10 times 17 is 170. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is simply 170. Our answer is 170, meaning 170 of his total earning goes to his expenses, or it is the total expenses of Nathaniel. So to check this, last na tayo. Bali naging tatlo na lang yung procedure. Given, solution, then check. So 350. Ito yung total earning niya. Then yung expenses niya daw is 170. Then if we divide this to the fraction na 17/35, we must get the same number as this, 350. So 350 equals 170. Get the reciprocal. Proceed to multiplication. 35/17, and when you use calculator, the answer would be 350. And we get the correct answer. The answer for this is 350. Last two example. Example number 3. Ronaldin made strawberry jam and peanut butter. She filled 15 jars with strawberry jam. If she made 3/5 times as much peanut butter as strawberry jam, how much jars will the peanut butter fill? So, sabi lang dito, gumawa daw si Ronaldin ng strawberry jam and peanut butter. She made 15 jars. So, start with given. Ilan ang ginawa niya? 15 jars of strawberry jam. So, 15. Labo ng ballpen. So, 15 jars ay strawberry. So, strawberry. Then, she made 3/5 times as much peanut butter as strawberry jam. Meaning, 3/5 times ay peanut butter. So, 3/5 times as many as peanut butter. Ay, as much peanut butter as strawberry jam. So, kinompare natin yung strawberry jam dun sa dami ng strawberry. At sabi, ito ay 3/5 times as much. So, 3/5 times as much peanut as strawberry. So, the solution for this, simply, gagawin lang natin, para makuha natin yung 3/5 times ng 15 jars, kasi ayun yung hinahanap, how many jars will the peanut butter fill? So, ilan ba ang 3/5 times ng 15 jars? So, to find out, we need to multiply 15 times 3/5. Then, this is 15/1 because all whole number has a denominator of 1. Then, 15 times 3 is 15, 45. Over 5. 45 over 5 is, divide both sides. Divide the numerator and denominator to 5/5. Magiging lowest term niya is 9/1 or simply 9. So, the answer for this is 9. Meaning, Ronaldin will fill 9 jars of peanut butter. Hindi ko na isusulat. Check na agad tayo. Checking. Kailangan yung 15 ay equal kay 9 divided by 3/5. Because sabi, ang 3/5 daw ng 15 ay 9. So, kapag binaliktad natin, kailangan lalabas pa rin yung 15. 9 divided by 3/5. Ganun lang. So, practice lang kayo sa checking. Dito lang kayo magkakaroon ng problema. So, pag dinivide natin to, get the reciprocal. 9 magiging times 5/3. Then, 15 equals 9 times 5 is 45/3. Then, 15 equals 15. Meaning, we get the correct answer. Ronaldin will fill 9 jars of peanut butter. Last example. Johan borrowed a car that needs 2/9 liters of gasoline per kilometer. If he wants to drive 19.5 kilometers, how much gasoline will he need? So, sabi dito, given 2/9 liters daw ng gasoline ang kailangan per kilometer nung certain car. So, 2/9 liters gasoline per kilometer. So, 2/9 liter per kilometer. Gusto ni Johan tumakbo ng 19.5 kilometer. Gaano karaming gasoline yung kailangan niya? Ibig sabihin, kailangan niya lang ng 19.5 times ng 2/9 liter. So to get that, we need to use multiplication. Solution. We just need simply multiply the given. So 19 and 1/2 times 2 over 9. Can you understand? Because 2 over 9 daw per kilometer eh. Kaya, multiply na lang natin yung dami ng gasolina na yon. Parang sinabing, parang 1 liter per kilometer. Then, kailangan mo tumakbo ng 10 kilometer. Ilang kailangan mo? Di 1 liter times 10. So, dito naman, 2 over 9 liter per kilometer. Kailangan mo tumakbo ng 19 and 1/2 kilometer. Di multiply mo lang din. So, pag multiply natin to, kailangan mo natin gawin improper, si mixed number. So, 2 times 19 is 38. Wait lang. 2 times 19, 38. Plus 1 is 39. So, 39 over 2 times 2 over 9. Then, 39 times 2 is 78. Wait. Para mas madali, parehas tayo merong 2. So, cancel to, magiging 1 na lang yan. 39 times 1 is 39. And 9 times 1 is 9. Then, lowest term neto, divisible sila parehas kay 3. Magiging 13 over 3. Meaning, Johan needs 13 over 3 liters ng gasoline. So, para mas visualize nyo, let's make it a mixed number. So 13 over 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 plus 1 to make it 13 and 3. So kailangan mo ng 4 and 1/3 liters of gasoline to make it 19 and 1/2, to run 19 and 1/2 kilometer. So, last check natin. Kailangan 19 and 1/2 ang makuha natin sagot kapag dinivide